Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Jasmy update today. And one target still is pending 0.047917. And since yesterday when I made a video, you guys have showed a lot of likes to the videos, appreciated. Do like this one as well. Let's actually talk about Jasmy, because now that Jasmy is hot, why not? And thing is, again, I'm going to tell you, be very careful about this little bit of a rising wedge, because rising wedge are negative patterns and they're not very good to be considered for bullish continuation, right? So you do have a little bit of that coming in as well. And yeah, maybe from here you may start to get back up again, meet this target. And if you do meet the target, you're gonna go and probably if you start to, all right, here's some few things I want to tell you. I'm not saying definitely you're gonna come down here, but the thing is that we're just using chart patterns to see what is happening. Now few reasons I've told you even in yesterday's video is that this is a big bearish divergence. You're coming up, you're going down on the RSI. What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay, this is not fluke. It means that people are selling. When you see bearish divergence, it means that they are taking profits. It's simple as that. Very clear message right there. Okay, at least as far as anyone who understands RSI, that's what it means. A bearish divergence, a MACD cross on top of that always mean that things are going low. Like RSI tells you the momentum. I've told you the lecture part 1 yesterday that use RSI as a complement to your trading. Use chart patterns as the number one key things when you're trading. Second rule about the RSI is that RSI just shows the momentum of a coin. How fast are you going? What is the definition of momentum when you go back to physics? It just tells you that speed and velocity in which you're going through, right? If you see things going down here and the prices are still moving up, the momentum means that it's shifting to the lower side, which means to the selling side. It's not on the buying side anymore. Similarly, if you see some sideways prices and a move to the upside, the momentum means buy. And I told you, I made a whole video saying show this to your kid, and I told you that yes, this is the lowest part of the parallel channel. You're making some bullish divergences. It's very good. History is still right in front of you. You can go back and watch those videos. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, I want to bring this to your notice, that if you end up coming below here as well, you see, if you're not going to go up here today or tomorrow, which is my expectation, number one is if you go below it, you go down to the technical target, and that's going to be down to 33907. Okay, you're sitting at 0.04 and you're going to go to 33. Right now you're on 40, you're going to go down to 33. Okay, if you only break down, have you break down? No. Okay, so we're still good. If you're not going to break down, the next move is coming up here and meeting the target finally. Another scenario is that, again, if you break above 47917 and destroy this whole pattern here, you destroy the rising wedge itself, you have good chances of even making it all the way up to 0.1 eventually. Right? Again, that's why I say don't rely on the RSI alone itself. It's not a good idea. I'm combining the chart patterns as well. And you may even think that, oh, you still have a bullish bearish divergence, you're going to break this, you're going to go up, and then things are not going to make sense to you anymore. They all make sense. It's just that it comes with experience. You really need to be here for a long time to understand support and resistance. Because again, why is it that when you come up here, you may continue to go up there? Well, reason is because if you look on the daily, again, this is not RSI, but this is now a trading pattern. You take the trend line, you draw the trend line here, which was your previous resistance. As you can see previously, what you did is you got rejected, went down, got rejected, went down. And now if you break it up, then you may retest and you may start a new rally to the upside, and the RSI goes out of the water. Doesn't matter. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.